students, let's know our portion for the EVS 2 subject. Here we go for the portion for EVS 2 subject, that is chapter number 11, 12 and 12, 13, 14. So there are 4 chapters for the second unit test. Yes, chapter number 11, discomfiture of Shaista Khan. Chapter number 12, the siege of Purandar and treaty with the Mughal emperor. Chapter number 13, Shivaji gives lips to the emperor. Then chapter number 14, that is the last chapter for our second unit test. That is, the fort is captured but the lion is dead. Yes, students? Shaista Khan laid siege to the fort of Dash, Purandar. In Pune, Shaista Khan made Lal Mahal his headquarters. Aurangzeb transferred Shaista Khan to Bengal. Shaista Khan was Aurangzeb's uncle. Who was Shaista Khan? He was Aurangzeb's uncle and he was transferred to Bengal. Next, chapter number 12. Dash was a great center of trade in Mughal Empire. Surat. Murar Baji was in charge of the fort of Purandar. After the treaty was signed, Jai Singh suggested to Shivaji to go to Agra to see the emperor. Chapter number 30. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in safe place at Mathura. Shivaji Maharaj sent baskets of dash to sadhus and maulvis, that is, baskets of sweet. Chapter number 14. Tanaji came from village Umarthe. Udayban, appointed by Jai Singh, was in charge of Kondana fort. Dash was Tanaji's brother. Very simple. Suryaji, Kondana fort has steep precipice on the Dash side, western side. Then answer in one word. Firamgoji Narsala was in charge of this fort. Chakan. The Maratha Sardar moved on this swift pony. Bhimtadi. Shaista Khan marched to this place with his big troop. Pune. Shaista Khan's son was killed by this person, Shivaji. Shivaji carried out his daring raid here, Surat. He was a great general of Aurangzeb, Jai Singh. He was a trusted Sardar of Aurangzeb, Diler Khan, who were the only people left with Shivaji in Agra. Sambhaji Raje and 2 servants, Hiroji Farjan and Madari Mehta, who was the king of sovereign state of Maharashtra, Shivaji Maharaj, who took in charge of campaign of Kondana, Tanaji Malusare. In which year was Kondana fort recaptured? 1670. In the year 1670, Kondana fort was recaptured. In whose control was Kondana fort? It was, yes, in hands of Mughal, who was a shrewd diplomat, Mirza Raje Jai Singh. Then, he is the one who died while defending Purandar fort. Murar Baji. person impressed by swordmanship of Murarbaji? Diler Khan. When did Shahaji Raja suffered an accidental death? 1664 AD. When was Treaty of Purandar signed? 1665 AD. Purandar, that is, Treaty of Purandar was signed in the year 1665 AD. Answer in one sentence. Which town did Shaista Khan capture on the way to Pune? Shaista Khan captured the town of Shirwar, Shivpur and Saswad the way to Pune. Why did Diler Khan lay siege to Purandar fort? Why? Because he was aware that Shivaji cannot be defeated as long as he was the master of Purandar fort. That is why Diler Khan decided to lay siege to Purandar fort. Why did Shivaji enter into the treaty with the Mughal emperor? Because he was aware that he was not strong enough to fight with powerful Mughals. What treaty was to be handed over? What territories was to be handed over to the Mughals? Yes? According to the treaty. Come on, tell me. 23 forts and territory with the revenue of 4 lakh khans. It has to be handed over to the Mughals. Whom did Shivaji hand over the administration of Swaraj before leaving for Agra? To his mother Jijabai, Shivaji handed over the administration of Swaraj before leaving for Agra. In whose control was the Kondana fort? Yes, the Kondana fort was in hands of the Mughals. What did Shivaji do for his quick recovery? He started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulvis for his quick recovery. Why did Shivaji go to Agra? Why did Shivaji go to Agra? Shivaji went to Agra to visit Emperor Aurangzeb, who was the chief of the fort Kondana. Udaiban. Who said these words? Raiba's wedding can wait. Tanaji Malusare. The fort is won but the lion is dead. Shivaji Maharaj. Wait, hold back your sword. Diler Khan. Until now, I have not seen a swordman like you. Who said these words? Diler Khan. We are the loyal servant of Shivaji Maharaj. Murar Baji. Shiva, it is not safe to leave the strong fort in enemy's hand. Who said these words? Jijamata. Don't you see that your father is lying dead here on the battlefield? Who said this word? Suryaji, brother of Tanaji Malusare. So with this, I am finishing off with my EVS2 subject.